Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom home for sale. It is located in the desirable Torado Heights community of St. James. This desirable two-story property features an elegant design with large airy rooms, tiled floors throughout, and the stunning ocean views from the upper balcony. The kitchen boasts custom hardware cabinetry and a warm, inviting layout. The home offers multiple indoor sitting areas, a classic formal living room, and well appointed bedrooms for comfortable family living. Outside, with half-acre of land, enjoy a landscaped yard with mature tropical plants and a peaceful, private atmosphere. Ideally located close to the international airport, shopping malls, entertainment, restaurants, and other major amenities. Contact the realtor to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000, Jamaican 102.5 million, Canadian 930.4 thousand, Euro 597,000, or 505.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.